Hello everyone, we are Oxygen Concentrator manufacturer from South Korea. Here we will introduce you our newly developed machine called Oxys 10. 10 liter per minute oxygen concentrator that we will use the semi-knockdown approach. With this semi-knockdown approach, we will give you opportunity to become a localization partner, allowing you to have the best world oxygen concentrator in the world that can be run in a high level humidity and extreme temperature. Using this product uses modular structure that can be easily assembled and disassembled, allowing you to easily maintain this product if there is something happen or error happenings. Because this is a modular use, it is very useful for a medical use, such as community health center and small hospital. We believe using this product has the lowest power consumption in the world of oxygen concentrator 10 liter per minute machine. So this product can easily increase your business. Now we will show you how easy it is to assemble our product. We have 4 sub-assemble. First, compressor unit, 2, control unit, and then main part, bed assemble, and then body. Now our engineer right here will show you how to assemble it. As you can see, it only takes us less than 3 minutes to assemble the product, and the product is ready. Now, if you are interested, please let us know and contact us at sales@oxys.co.kr or go to the Google and search oxysworld.com. And we also have several features such as RAK, our 60 liter per minute, or Oxypol, our 100 liter per minute, that we can serve you with semi-knockdown process as well, and we can become your localization process partner. If you contact us, we will send you our tailored business proposal. Thank you for watching. We'll see you.